Hello, welcome back to my channel. I make videos on travel, beauty, fashion and luxury, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. So today's video is about this bag. This is my Michael Kors bag in snake print or the python print. So this is a leather bag, and don't worry, this is not actual python or a snake. So no snake or a python was harmed or killed in making of this bag. Just the finishing of this bag is the snake print or the python print. So this bag is called the Hamilton bag, and it comes in two sizes. This is a small size and there is a larger size. So I was reading about the trends for fall winter 2018, and one of the trends for the fall winter 2018 for handbags is a top handle bag and animal print bag. So animal print could be either the leopard print, the snake print, I don't know what other animal is there which you can print it off, maybe the zebra print. So I also wanted to get on the trend, and I wanted to first see what I have in my closet. So I found this bag. So this is the Michael Kors Hamilton bag, and I purchased it about 5 years back, and I remove it once a year for the fall season, because I like to carry this with my fall outfits, and it goes, I think, very well with the fall kind of weather where everything is kind of brown, or the fall kind of colors, etc. So let me tell you about the dimensions of this bag. So this bag measures 9.5 inches in height, 12 and a quarter inch in width, and 5 inches in depth. So this is quite a nice sizable bag. In the front, it comes with this clochette. You might be familiar with the clochette of Alma BB, of the Louis Vuitton, or Hermes Birkin bag, which also comes with a clochette. And also I think Kelly's come with a clochette. So I think multiple bags have this thing either as a decorative piece like a bag charm, or something to hold a key. So this clochette holds a key just like the Alma. So the key looks like this. It has a MK logo up here, and if there is a key, there has to be a lock. So there is a lock right in front here with MK logo, and I think it also says Michael Kors here. So that is about the exterior of the bag, and the handles are like the roll handles. They're quite sturdy, nicely stitched, and with the same finish as that of the bag. And the nice thing about handles is when they are not in use, they fall on the either side of the bag, so that when you have it on your shoulders, the handles don't end up sticking under your arm or poking under your arms as some of the bags do. Another thing about this bag is the feet. So it kind of nicely protects the bottom of the bag from getting dirty, and you can lay the bag over on the table, ground, tiles, anywhere. So the feet have like Michael and Kors written on either side. So okay, so this is Michael and this Kors, Michael Kors. So that's the extent of the logo of the bag. So this is a good thing about the bag, is that this is a logo free bag. So in case you want to get on a trend and kind of not want to advertise where your bag is from, you can easily remove this lock and it becomes a very nice non-logo bag. Just you want to highlight the animal print or the python print or the snake print. So this is about the bag. All right, so let's see what's on the interior of the bag. Right, so there are these handles, and the handle drop is about 4 inches, I would say. And then there is another strap. This strap is half gold tone hardware. So this bag has fully gold tone hardware, and it is non-adjustable, so you cannot carry this bag as a crossbody. You can only carry it as a shoulder bag. There you go, like that. Now let's see on the interior of the bag. So inside of the bag, the opening is by a magnetic opening or magnetic closure. So it doesn't have any zip. It's just the magnetic opening. Then is the inside of the bag. The inside of the bag is one whole compartment, and it is lined by a cloth. I think it's a thick kind of a cloth, maybe polyester, and it has the MK logo all over the interior lining on the inside. In terms of compartment, it has 3 compartments. There are 2 slip pockets. 2 slip pockets on this side of the bag. One is here and one is here. Then you have one zippered compartment on the other side of the bag. So it's a sizable zip, a sizable compartment, I would say. And we'll see afterwards if I can fit a wallet in that or not. So that's the inner construction or inner organization of the bag. And then there is another leather tab which says Michael Kors. Michael Kors. And it has this, I don't know, what do you call this? Something to hold your keys. So in case you do not have a key holder, you can attach your keys to this strap here on the inside, and it becomes very easy to kind of have easy access to your keys, either for your door, your office, or for your vehicle. So this is the interior organization of the bag. Now let me see if the bag fits in daily essentials. So this is already a leather bag, a fully leather bag, and I do not want to make it more heavy. So I would kind of carry things which are only essentials. And another thing is that it doesn't have a crossbody strap. It just has one shoulder strap, and the shoulder strap is not detachable. So again, I will just carry only the essentials. So first up, the essential would be a wallet. So I got this wallet again from Michael Kors. I like to match the things inside of my bag if possible. So I bought this wallet at the same time as that of the bag. And this wallet is called, I think, a tech wallet. There are other wallets which are bigger ones like the Continental wallet, the coin purses, and this I remember is called a tech wallet. And the reason it was called a tech wallet was that there was this slot over here, right in the middle of the wallet, which could fit your phone. So in case you had an iPhone 4 or iPhone 5, it would fit nicely in this slot. So when I had purchased this wallet, I had iPhone 5 with me. And this wallet was so amazing because I could just put my wallet, my phone in this wallet, and I could use this. It comes with a matching strap to use it as a clutch, and it would become a nice animal print clutch. But now I have an iPhone 10 and it does not fit inside the phone. I did try. So it does not fit inside the wallet. I did try that, and that gave me a lesson to not to buy any designer or luxury items which are made for phones. For example, designer or luxury phone cases, phone covers, because the phones, they keep on changing in terms of sizes, and you'll be stuck with that case or the phone cover in case you upgrade the phone. So yeah, so this is my Michael Kors wallet. And another nice feature about this wallet is that this thing is detachable. I mean, the strap is detachable. Again, you can use this as your key holder. You know, you can attach some keys in here, and this can be a kind of a key holder. So I usually let this thing remain inside or remain attached to the wallet. And we'll try putting it here. So the wallet fits inside the bag. Now let's see if the wallet fits inside the zippered compartment. It does fit, but with a lot of difficulty, as in it's a very tight fit, particularly with this attachment around. So I'll try removing it and putting my wallet. So the wallet fits inside the zippered compartment. If your bag is kind of open like a tote bag or just has a magnetic closure which is not secure, I kind of prefer putting it into some zippered compartment, so that nobody can just put your hand inside the bag and grab the wallet. So that fits in. Then next essential thing is a card holder. It's not very essential, but it's nice to have. So I got this card holder. This is again from Michael Kors, and it is the same finish as that of the bag. Can you see this? It's another matchy thing that I have. So this is the card holder, and I keep the business cards in this card holder. It has two compartments. One is the bigger one and one is a tiny one. So how I use it is, in the bigger slot I use my cards which I would exchange, and in the smaller compartment I put the ones which I receive, so that I don't end up mixing both types of cards. So this is a card holder from Michael Kors. Next up, very important thing would be your keys. Otherwise, how will you get in inside your house? So this is my Louis Vuitton key clay in the Damier ebene canvas, and I keep my keys inside it mostly. And maybe if I need excess cards, stored cards or something like that, I keep them in this. So that's the card holder sitting there, and the key clay or the clay sitting in this compartment. So I have still a full open middle compartment. Next up, what I would carry is my day-to-day essentials in my cosmetic pouch. This is the Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch in the size small. This is the dome-shaped pouch. So it kind of fits inside there. And I would require my sunglasses. In California, we have bright sun, and sunglasses are a necessity for me. So these are my Ray-Ban sunglasses in their case. These are the Ray-Ban Wayfarers. So I have multiple sunglasses, and these were the ones which were kind of available or inside the bag already. So I'm kind of using these ones now. So the sunglasses with their case can nicely fit inside the bag. Next up is a comb. So I have long hair and I have to have a comb with me all the time. So that's a comb. So a comb fits in. Yeah, and I would need something to do with technology, so an iPad. So there, the iPad sits comfortably inside the bag. So this is my normal full-sized iPad. This is the iPad Air with the cover on top. So the iPad fits nicely. Yes, I think that's all I would want to carry on day-to-day basis, and maybe a bottle of water. So a small bottle of water would fit in here. So as you can see, the bag has plenty of space still remaining. That's my comb which fell. Plenty of space still remaining, and you can put your scarf, I don't know what else you would need on day-to-day basis in this bag. So that was a compact wallet. This was a compact wallet. Now let me see if I can fit in a full-size wallet. So this is my Louis Vuitton Emily wallet in the color or the Damier ebene canvas. So let me see if that fits to show you the comparison between the Michael Kors Tech wallet and the Emily wallet. This is the difference in the sizes. So the Emily wallet fits inside the bag. Yes. Now let me see if the Emily wallet fits inside the zippered compartment, because I want to keep my wallets securely, right? No, the Emily wallet does not fit inside the zippered compartment. This one fit with great adjusting difficulty, and so it was obvious that Emily wouldn't fit, so it doesn't fit. So I will be stuck with carrying a compact wallet, and I would be happy to carry a matching wallet in this case. So that's all that can fit inside this bag. So now I will show you some modeling shots with this bag before I start fitting in the laptop. So I will show you if I can fit in the laptop as well. But let me show you how I would carry the bag. So I would carry the bag either handheld. It looks so chic handheld, like so, or at the crook of my arm, like so. Crook of my arm. Then I will carry it on the shoulders. See how the handles fall at the side. So this is how it looks at the side, and there's a nice drop between your arm and the bag so that the bag does not stick up your arm and make you uncomfortable. So you can like shop, walk, or explore your city, or you can even use this for traveling. You know, it will be comfortable when you're traveling as well with the bag on your arm or your shoulder. So those were the modeling shots with the bag. Now another thing I want to tell you is whether you can fit a laptop in the bag. So for that, let me remove my iPad and let me show you something about the bag. So this is the key, and this is the Michael Kors lock. So I have removed the lock, and look at the straps. These are the straps of the bag. So they can come out like so, and the bag is adjustable. You can kind of stretch the bag from side to side, so the bag becomes wider. This is another nice thing about the bag. And now let me try putting in the laptop. And voila, the laptop, the 13-inch MacBook, it fits inside the bag. This was the wallet which had come out. So let me put the wallet inside and show you. So I have kept everything as it is in the bag. Only I removed my iPad, and you can see the laptop fits inside. If you need to carry iPad as well, you can put your iPad as well. I don't have to tell you that it will become heavy. Now let me model it for you with the lock off and the tabs let out and the sides kind of undone. So for the reference, I'm 5'5", and the bag with its lock off and tabs out on the crook of my arm would look like this. At the sides would look like that. Handheld, it would look like this. And the best way to carry it would be shoulders, because after putting a 13-inch laptop, it becomes a bit heavy. So on the sides, it would look like this. So on the side, that's in the front, that's the side. Now, do I recommend this bag? So yes, I definitely would recommend this bag. If you are following the trend of a top handle bag or an animal print or a snake print bag, I would definitely recommend this bag for you. If you are looking for a trend bag which is kind of more affordable, I would recommend this. Many designers or the luxury houses are making bags in the animal print or the snake print, but the prices can be upward of $1,000. And this bag retailed for less than $300 when I got it 5 years back. So in case you're looking for a affordable option for following kind of a trend, I would definitely recommend a bag from such designers. So hope you found the video entertaining, and if you are planning on getting a bag to follow the fall winter trends of 2018, hope you found it informative. And in case you're planning to buy a animal print bag or a snake print or a python print bag, hope you are able to decide on what kind of prints you would like to have based on this review or this video. Because even in snake print, I know one is this yellow toned and one comes as more of a grayish whitish toned in case of snake print. And thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.